Hi, this is John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Michael. Michael's been trading with us from the 23rd of April 2021, and this is his journey right up until the 19th of July 2021. Michael's had a gain of 8.9%, and he's had a daily gain of 0.10%, a monthly gain of 2.97%, and a drawdown of 3.10%. Michael is now managing 30,000 US dollars on level 2. Michael achieved this with a total of 186 trades. We can see Michael's won 123 out of 186, which represents 66% gain. He's lost 63 out of 186, which represents 34% gain. Michael's made this with a total of 658.3 pips. Well done, Michael, and congratulations. Going forward now, looking at the monthly analytics, Michael's had 0.04% gain in April, 0.21% in May, 6.26% in June, and 2.23% in July. And this has helped Michael hit 10% back to back. So looking at some of the trades Michael's taken over a period of time, you can see Michael's diversified with his pairs, as you can see. The biggest gains have come from the Euro US dollar, which is visible here, followed by the pound AUD, followed by the pound US dollar, and you can see all the other pairs have been diversified. So Michael, I always recommend you stick to pairs that bring you the most liquidity and pips, and the pairs that you're comfortable with that you can make money on. And clearly these are the pairs. So let's pay attention to that moving forward, because other pairs will help you, but if you stick to what you know, you're going to be more successful consistently. Looking at some of the pairs you're trading right now, you can see we got 1.4, 16 pips, 15 pips, 30 pips, 20 pips, 2 pips. So we're getting consistent gains here, but Michael, I always recommend stop losses, and which you've done that more frequently, and I respect that. This shows you're a disciplined trader, and well done for doing that, because this keeps you consistently in the business. And as you can see, you've got your stop losses in place. This is well done. I cannot say take nothing away from you. This is a very good account. So I always say focus on the liquid pairs. Take stick to the time frame that complements your strategy. Look at price action, entry points, exit points. More importantly, manage risk. Get that psychological advantage by reading books that will help you improve your mindset, because that will always help you as a trader. And more importantly, foremost, try and stay away from negative emotions. And if you don't see a setup, leave the market alone. Play chess. Chess is a very good game to play as a trader, because small, consistent moves over time to capture the king wins the game. And small consistent pips over time will get you your 10% to climb up the scaling ladder of hitting level 6 of the FTP program. So congratulations on that, and I wish you all the best moving forward on to $60,000, the next level. Well done.